According to agricultural data technology, it is believed that by the year of 2023, the agricultural systems that we have set in place today will be insufficient in feeding all of the warm bodies that inhabit this earth. But how is this even possible, and more importantly, why is it even happening? Well, I'm here to blow the whistle. Because of crop contamination, penalization of farmers, and global warming, we are facing a prompt but steady decline in both the quantity and quality of our food production. To begin, I would like to talk a little bit about crop contamination and its effects on the quality of our food production. Crop contamination can show up in various ways. One way being the pesticides we use in the farming of our fruits and vegetables, as well as polluted waterways that come from both animal and human drug use. Even certain types of packaging can have negative effects on the food that we eat. According to the National Center of Biotechnology information, it is believed that we can use a process called soil remediation to reduce these effects. Soil remediation means removing the top layer of soil where most of the toxins live in order to reduce these effects of contamination. Next, I would like to talk a little bit about the legal side of things and how it affects the quantity of our food production. Farmers are prohibited from keeping their seeds, but what exactly does this mean? This means that laws are set in place to benefit transnational corporations and not our farmers, meaning our farmers are not allowed to keep their seeds in trade traditionally, but instead must buy seeds from the market. When farmers challenge this idea, they are often met with confiscation of their items, surveillance on their farms, and even possible jail time. As a result, we have lost hundreds and hundreds of varieties of fruits and vegetables. On an infographic released from National Geographic, it shows that from the years of 1903 to 1983, we lost 93% of our unique seed strands. To put this in perspective a little bit, in 1903, we enjoyed 403 types of tomatoes, varieties of tomatoes. But by the year of 1983, we only had a shy 79 of those original 403. Lastly, I would like to talk a little bit about global warming and its effects on the quality and quantity of our food production. The ocean that we see today makes up 99% of the living space of Earth's living space, and about 3.5 billion people turn to agriculture as their primary source of food. Continents such as North America and Europe only consider fish to be about 10% of their protein intake. However, continents such as Asia consider it to be about 26% of their protein intake. According to the proceedings of the National Academy of the United States of America, also known as PNAS, have released information that shows that global warming has a decline in our biodiversity as well as a decline in the overall production of our marine systems. In simpler terms, this means that the food that we eat, the animals that we eat, are incapable of sustaining life in the circumstances that global warming puts them in. In essence, the agriculture system is incapable of growing with our fast-paced growing populations. And as a result, we see a decline in both the quantity and the quality of our food production. Factors that pose a threat to this is crop contamination, penalization of farmers, and global warming. Thank you.